So till now, so far, everything which is different from 2.3 has been covered from the setting up the case point of view. But to add one point, like which is common to 2.3 and 3.0, nothing changes, but people used to make a lot of mistakes. So in the output and post processing, so when you click on output files and if you go to writing time intervals, here you have to take care of these three numbers especially. So time interval for writing 3D output data files, right? So what does this mean? It means that in how many cycles or seconds, it depends upon whether you are running steady state or transient state. That is not the point. So in how many cycles here you want your 3D output file to get dumped. Meaning, see, you want to post process the results at the end of the day, correct? So if you want to post process the results, you need 3D output files, right? So always remember, any case you are running, whether it be the first case or the last case of this course, always remember you should have at least 100 files, right? At least 100 files, 100 3D output files to be more specific, so that you can post process the results nicely and you get a very good images and animations, right? If you are only having 2 3D output files or 10 output files, 3D output files, you will not be able to create a good animation out of it. Okay, so if you are having a lot of 3D output files, you can basically create a good animation out of it, and which is very much required if you are doing any CFD based simulations. Then only you will be able to understand what is happening, how is the flow physics. So always remember, you are at least having 100 output files out of it. So don't get confused with this 100 and what 100 I am telling. So let's say you have to check here. So let's say your simulation time parameter is 15,000 cycles, correct? So you have to just see that if I want 100 output files and I have basically 15,000 as the end time. So what should be the, in how many cycle one output file will be generated, correct? So it should be like 15,000 divided by 100, which is nothing but 150, correct? So here your answer should be 150 if you want basically 100 output files, 3D output files, correct? And this time interval for writing text output, this for steady state